Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are packing your Oral-B IO toothbrush for a trip and want to stop it from accidentally turning on inside your bag, the process is usually much easier than many people expect. Sometimes the Oral-B IO toothbrush activates during travel because buttons get pressed accidentally, while other times people are unsure whether travel mode is actually enabled. Since the Oral-B IO toothbrush includes features designed to help prevent unwanted activation during travel, learning the right process can make packing much smoother. The best part is that once travel mode is enabled correctly, your Oral-B IO toothbrush should stay protected from random power-ups while moving around. In this video, let's go through several easy steps to turn an Oral-B IO toothbrush on or off for travel. Try these. Step 1. Hold the Oral-B IO toothbrush securely before adjusting travel settings. Step 2. Press and hold the power button on the Oral-B IO toothbrush for several seconds carefully. Step 3. Watch the display or indicator on the Oral-B IO toothbrush for travel mode confirmation. Step 4. Test the power button on the Oral-B IO toothbrush to confirm accidental activation stays blocked. Step 5. Repeat the same button process on the Oral-B IO toothbrush when turning travel mode off later. Step 6. Recheck the Oral-B IO toothbrush and confirm normal brushing controls written properly after travel mode ends.